When you compare Jura versus Breville coffee machines, you're really comparing two different ways of thinking about espresso. Jura represents the pinnacle of Swiss precision, machines that transform coffee making into an art of effortless automation. Breville, born from Australia's vibrant cafe culture, celebrates the craft of hands-on brewing, giving you control over every variable while still surrounding you with intelligent technology that makes the process approachable and rewarding. Both brands deliver cafe quality results, but they do so through entirely different experiences. Jura perfects the art of consistency, while Breville perfects the art of participation. By the way, I'm honestly super interested to hear which side of this you lean toward. Do you prefer getting hands-on with your coffee? Or do you love the idea of pressing a button and letting the machine do it all? Let me know in the comments because I'm genuinely curious. You notice the difference the moment you stand in front of them. Jura machines like the E8, S8, and Z10 feel like modern sculptures. Smooth, minimalist, and quietly confident. Every motion, from the way the spouts adjust to the way the screen animates, feels deliberate. Breville machines, the Barista Touch Impress, Barista Touch, and Oracle Touch, feel tactile and purposeful. The brushed stainless steel, the satisfying click of the portafilter, the gentle hiss of the steam wand, they're machines that invite you to take part, to feel the process as much as you taste it. Both brands are obsessed with precision, but they express it differently. Jura's pulse extraction process, PEP, pulses water through the coffee bed in short bursts to optimize extraction time, producing espresso that's remarkably balanced and aromatic. Breville's approach is more traditional. It gives you control over grind size, dose, and pre-infusion, letting you shape the flavor profile yourself. Jura's grinders, like the Aroma G3 and PRG systems, are enclosed and automatic, calibrated to deliver perfect consistency. Breville's integrated conical burr grinders are adjustable, designed for users who want to dial in their espresso by hand. When you taste the coffee, Jura's espresso feels harmonized, smooth, silky, and repeatable. Breville's espresso feels expressive, rich, layered, and personal. Jura's milk systems produce foam that's light, stable, and ideal for layered drinks like cappuccinos and macchiatos. Breville's steam wands, whether manual or automatic, create microfoam that's glossy and elastic, perfect for latte art and textural nuance. Jura is for those who want perfection at the touch of a button. Breville is for those who want to create perfection themselves. And while I remember, if you'd like to check the current prices or see which models are on offer right now, you'll find links in the description box below. Nowhere is this contrast more vivid than when you compare their machines head to head. The Breville versus Jura debate often centers on how much control you want over the brewing process. And that difference becomes crystal clear when you look at specific models side by side. When you look at the Breville Barista Touch Impress and the Jura E8, you see two machines that occupy similar price points but serve different types of coffee lovers. The Barista Touch Impress combines automation with hands-on involvement. Its Impress Puck system automatically doses and tamps your coffee with 10 kilograms of pressure, ensuring consistency while still letting you adjust grind size and shot volume. The 54mm portafilter gives you that authentic espresso bar feel, and the thermojet heating system reaches brewing temperature in just seconds. The Jura E8, meanwhile, is fully automatic. Its Aroma G3 grinder works quietly and efficiently, and its PEP extraction system ensures that every espresso is smooth and aromatic. In use, the Barista Touch Impress feels like a guided barista experience. You grind, tamp, and lock in the portafilter, hearing the low hum of the burrs and watching the espresso flow. The Jura E8 feels like a silent assistant. You select your drink on the color display, and the machine does the rest. The E8's fine foam frother G2 produces milk foam that's light and stable, while the Breville's automatic steam wand gives you control over texture and temperature. Even cleaning reflects their philosophies. The E8 handles maintenance automatically with self-cleaning cycles and RFID-enabled water filters, while the Breville keeps you more involved, requiring manual rinsing and purging, but giving you a sense of connection to your machine. If you've ever tried either of these machines, I'm genuinely curious which one gave you the better espresso experience. Was it the hands-on feel of the Breville or the effortless consistency of the Jura? Let me know down in the comments because I'd honestly love to hear your take. Move one step up to the Breville Barista Touch and the Jura S8, and the contrast becomes one of refinement and interface design. The Barista Touch is built for speed and personalization. Its touchscreen lets you program and save drinks, adjusting grind, milk temperature, and foam texture. The thermojet system heats up in about 3 seconds, letting you go from bean to cup almost instantly. The Jura S8, with its high-resolution touchscreen and sleek design, takes a slower, more deliberate approach. Its intelligent pre-brew aroma system and pep extraction ensure every shot is meticulously balanced. The Barista Touch feels like a hybrid between manual and automatic. You still grind and tamp, but the machine guides you through each step. The S8 is pure automation. You tap your drink, and the machine handles every stage from grinding to milk frothing. The S8's milk system automatically transitions between milk and foam depending on the recipe, creating perfectly layered drinks every time. The Barista Touch's automatic steam wand offers more flexibility, allowing you to create milk suitable for latte art or denser foam for cappuccinos. The S8's design is sleek and sculptural, ideal for modern kitchens, while the Barista Touch's stainless steel build evokes a professional espresso bar. Both deliver exceptional results, but the S8 is for those who want elegance and simplicity, while the Barista Touch is for those who want speed and creative control. At the top of each brand's lineup, the Breville Oracle Touch and the Jura Z10 represent the ultimate expression of their respective philosophies. The Oracle Touch is a dual boiler powerhouse that automates the most technical parts of espresso making while keeping you engaged in the process. It grinds, doses, and tamps automatically, but you still lock in the portafilter and watch the espresso extract through a commercial-grade group head. You can fine-tune brew temperature, pre-infusion time, and shot volume, just like a Café Barista. The Jura Z10, on the other hand, is a masterpiece of automation. Its product recognizing grinder adjusts grind fineness automatically, depending on the beverage, finer for espresso, coarser for cold brew. It's also capable of true cold extraction, using cold water under pressure to create naturally sweet cold brew drinks in minutes. The Oracle Touch's espresso has depth and texture, with the kind of crema and mouthfeel you associate with professional machines. The Z10's espresso is silky and balanced, the product of sensors and algorithms working in harmony. The Oracle's dual boilers allow you to brew and steam simultaneously, while the Z10's advanced thermoblock system optimizes temperature for each drink type. The Oracle steam wand gives you complete control over milk texture, making it ideal for latte art. The Z10's fully automatic milk system produces consistent foam that's light and stable, perfect for layered drinks. Even their maintenance systems reflect their identities. The Oracle Touch gives you access to the brew group and manual cleaning routines, ideal for those who like to care for their machine personally. The Z10 systems are sealed and self-cleaning, designed for effortless upkeep. The Oracle Touch feels like a professional espresso bar condensed into a home machine. The Z10 feels like an intelligent coffee lab that anticipates your every preference. I'm honestly super interested to know which of these two top-tier machines you'd go for, the hands-on power of the Oracle Touch or the futuristic simplicity of the Z10. Drop your thoughts in the comments because I'm genuinely curious which one you choose for your kitchen. Zooming out, you start to see the broader Jura versus Breville narrative take shape. Jura is the choice for those who value quiet precision, seamless automation, and a consistently perfect cup. Breville is the choice for those who love the ritual, the grind, the tamp, the steam, and want to feel like a barista every morning. The Breville versus Jura comparison isn't about which brand is better, it's about which approach resonates with you. Jura gives you mastery through engineering. Breville gives you mastery through engagement. Both lead to the same destination, a cup of coffee that feels like it was made just for you. And if you'd like to check the current price of any of the models we've talked about today, you'll find all the links waiting for you in the description box below.